out there, you guys? Marty Schwartz here with guitarjams.com. I'm going to teach you this really cool classic rock riff here. But real quick, I want to let you know you can sign my email list right down there, and I'll send you a free ebook that has the scale diagrams, like the pentatonic scales, as well as the bar chords and all the beginner chords that you're going to need. It's really helpful. You're going to dig it. And all you got to do, it's totally free. You just sign my email list down there. Let's get to the lesson. So we're going to take the 5th fret of the D and the 7th fret of the G. And we're going to pinch those two notes with our thumb and index finger. Twice. Then we're going to take our ring finger off and back on. And when it's off, we're barring the D and the G right there to cover both of those notes. So we get this. So what we have to do is we're going to get our middle finger on the 6th fret of the B, our ring fingers on the 7th fret of the G, and we're going to hit with our index and middle finger both of those notes. So here's what we have. And right after you hit those, your thumb is going to, because basically the thumb's just kind of going like that on the D string a lot, kind of a pedal. So you got. So here's what we have real slow. So it's. Next thing, we're going to pinch again on the D and the G. And we just take our ring finger off again. So here's what we have so far, everything. So now we have this little piece. And that's just the D and the G pinched together. So you do 2 on there, then a whole step down. So here's what we got. Time real slow. Same 2 strings open. Da da. Open to the 3rd fret on that D and G still. And then kind of a dut dut on the D with the thumb. And then we're going to hit the 3rd fret on that D and G, and we slide it up. We hit this twice. Then immediately back down 3-0 on the D and G still. So check it out. Really slow again. Okay, the second half, we start it the same way, but check this out, it's kind of cool. Instead of that power chord right there, all you have to do is just kind of tip the tip of your finger on the 5th fret, but right on top of the metal fret. Not press down, just lightly, and you get that harmonic. So the very first hit is just like that. So we got to break that down a bit. Did you see that? So there's one little note with the thumb by itself, We got the harmonic, then 2 plucks, open, ring finger off, and then down 2 times. So it's once you hit that with the thumb by itself, you're letting the other notes ring out, and with your middle finger, if you can, you're gonna hit the 8th fret on the B string, while this other chord's kind of, you got these ringing out. So we have this. After you hit that, this ring finger's off, you're gonna go, and we're still covering the D and the G on the 5th fret, and we go, so it's ring fingers coming down on the G string of the 7th fret. So it's just kind of a, difficult variation on the first riff. Here it is again. You got the harmonic, then it comes down 2 times. So when I'm doing the pinch right there. So there's definitely some independence going on here, but you just take it one little piece at a time, like. It does different from the first time around. Instead of going, it just does it on the A and D string. So from here.